nakita ng buong CDH. Nakita nila yung dedikasyon, yung kanilang resilience, compassion, and excellence sa kanilang craft. Awarding this first certificate as Outstanding Nurse to Miss Maria Dulcetel Madimayuga. Wala siya. How about Miss Lizelle Yanes? For being Outstanding Nurse of Nurses. Yung additional daw hingin daw kay Sir Novi. And then, one of the 3 outstanding nurses awarding this certificate to Mr. Ralph Yanas Jr. Alam mo, hindi nga kami makapaniwala habang binibilang ko itong mga botong ito eh. Alam mo, parang nagkaroon dayaan. Talaga. Landslide victory eh. And then lastly, sa dami-dami ng mga hiningan ng pinaboto ng ating putihing Ma'am Jo Ellen, sobrang nakaka-amaze na nakikita pala talaga tayo, na-appreciate tayo ng buong CDH. Palakpakan natin ang isa't isa. Sobrang deserve natin lahat to. Certificate of Recognition for being favorite Kapamilya Nurse. For being a nurse whose genuine care, empathy, and joyful spirit have touched the hearts of patients and colleagues alike. Your dedication and kindness make you not only a trusted caregiver, but also everyone's favorite nurse. Do you agree? This certificate is proudly presented to Miss Janet Montero. Andito ba siya? Umalis na. Ayun. May ER nurse ba dito? Wala na. Si Doc Bob! Okay. So, i-award na lang natin to. Baka duty siya ngayon eh. And then, a special award. Certificate of Recognition for Exemplary Leadership Award for demonstrating exceptional leadership, unwavering and compassionate guidance that inspire excellence within the nursing team. Your vision, dedication, and integrity uplift the standards of patient care and serve as a true example of what it means to lead with both heart and purpose. This award is given in celebration of Nurses Week 2025, given the 16th day of October 2025 at Calamba Doctors Hospital. This certificate is proudly presented to Miss Rosella Esquivel. talaga lahat ng inyong paghihirap. Damang-dama ko yung pagmamahal nyo sa inyong profesyon. Sobrang kahit nahihirapan na kayo, go pa rin kayo. Kaya huwag kayong mawawalan ng pag-asa, ipagpatuloy nyo lang. Kasi everyday nakikita kayo, di lamang kami, pero ng mga pasyente at ng mga taong nakapaligid po sa atin. So congratulations, and in any minute, mag-start na yung second set of our event. Thank you so much!
Sanction. Sanction. Yan, baka may pambato kayo sa kantaan mamaya, ha? Turo niyo na sa amin. Si may kumakanta ba dyan? Yung pwedeng inaban sa amin. Yan, pambato nyo. Sino po?